cookies and cream refrigerator cake. This mega head dessert gives you layer upon layer of creamy goodness. Easy to make, easier to enjoy. First, let's line our loaf pan. Chocolate cookies are arranged on the bottom of this pan. Next, we combine Nestlé cream with confectioner's sugar and beat until thick. It shouldn't take long to get nice and fluffy. Feel free to use a mixer. We spread half of the mixture on top of the arranged cookies. And this is followed by chiffon cake slices. You can also use sponge cake. More cookies for the next layer. Then more of the cream mixture. The top is sprinkled generously with chocolate chips and crumbled chocolate cookie before it goes into the freezer to set. To serve, simply unmold the frozen cake and cut into generous slices. Cookies and cream refrigerator cake, a delicious new way to enjoy your favorite Nestlé cream. Try it today.